Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Kladana for inventory counting. Regular inventory counts are important for finding out discrepancies. Don't forget to pause all operations with goods during inventory counts. To count inventory, you need to do the following. Create an inventory count document and fill it with the expected quantity for a specific warehouse. You can choose all items from the warehouse or add only chosen items. After that, count and fill in the actual quantity for each item and create stock adjustment and write-off to record discrepancies. I'll show you how it looks like in Kladana. For that, go to Inventory tab and Inventory Counts. Create an inventory count document and choose Warehouse. In my case, I'll choose Store Warehouse. After that, we need to fill in the items with the expected quantity. It is possible to add items in different ways. Just scan every item's barcode and all items will be filled with the expected quantity and after scanning the actual quantity. But an add from catalog allows you to choose specific items from catalog and count them. But an add from stock allows you to fill the document with all items in stock as expected for the chosen warehouse. Add from list allows you to choose specific items or folders of items or add all items from catalog. I'll show you how to proceed with the item list. For that, I press Add Item List button and in the pop-up, I choose Furniture for Home folder. After that, I press the Complete button. I don't want to fill the actual quantity now, so I don't put on the set actual stock. The list of items for inventory counting is filled. As you can see, for each item expected quantity is shown for chosen warehouse. In my case, it is the store warehouse. Now, I'm ready to put the actual quantity. I can do it by scanning or with manual input. Let's imagine that I'm counting manually. So I count each position and fill it in the actual quantity column. In my case, I have fewer items than expected from some positions and for one position. I have more than expected. Kladana shows the difference in expected and actual quantity. When you have 1,000 positions in stock and count them by barcode scanning, it is very convenient to count and see the difference when the process is over. I have finished counting for the chosen product group. Now I can save the inventory count document. Pay attention. Counting by itself does not change the stock level. It shows discrepancies between expected and actual quantity. After counting to adjust the stock level, you have to create stock adjustment or write-off transactions. For that, I go to Add Related option and Stock Adjustment. Stock adjustment is created for the items where actual quantity exceeds the expected quantity. You can see the stock adjustment transactions is filled with only such positions automatically. I can add the reason, for example, after counting, and save it. Now I will create the write-off. Write-off is created for the items where the actual quantity exceeds the expected quantity. The same thing, the transaction is filled with only missing items. Go to Add Related, I click on Write-off. You can also give the reason and save the transaction. Now let's see what the stock movement report shows after all of this. In the stock movement report, I choose the product category, Furniture for Home. Show products without movement, yes, and the warehouse as a store. Also in real life, you can choose a short period to see the movement of goods for 1 day or for even 1 hour. After that, I click on Find. You can see that I have item in and item out. These are the same items that were adjusted or written off after counting. For this item, bench without bag, you can see the stock in is 0 and stock out is 2. Let's open this item, bench without bag. For the chosen period, we see that there are 2 items out after the write-off transaction, which we created after inventory counting. That's all about inventory counting. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.